Hello students, welcome back to Organic Chemworks YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss physical properties of alkane molecules. What are physical properties? Physical properties indicate the boiling point, melting point, solubility, heat of combustion of compounds. Let's discuss them with some questions. Let's take question number 41. Which of the following has the lowest boiling point? If you observe all the options, they all have 6 carbon in them. Then how to decide boiling point which has the highest or least? Students, remember, boiling point is something to do with the shape of the molecule. As the number of carbons increases, the surface area increases. Hence, the interaction between the molecules increases. Therefore, the boiling point will also increase. But for the given molecules, all of them have the same number of carbons. Then how to decide? As I was telling earlier, go by the surface area. N-hexane molecule. So let's write down bond line structure for this so that it would be easier to compare. N-hexane molecule has more surface area, therefore more boiling point. The molecule with less surface area, how do you decide? That means a molecule with more branching, like in case of 2,3 dimethyl butane. So this has more branches, that means 2-methyl, therefore less surface area, therefore least boiling point. Therefore the right option is option C. Students, I would like to make a correction here. The methyl group is supposed to be on the second carbon. Please make that correction. It's just a typo. Let's take question number 42. Which of the following has the greatest solubility in butane molecule? There are 4 carbons, hence it is a butane molecule. What is the relationship between the molecule and the solubility? Remember, the molecules can be either polar or non-polar. What do you understand from this? Whenever we have heteroatoms like nitrogen, oxygen, halogen, right? Due to difference in the electronegativity, say there is a alkyl group and there is a halogen, due to difference in their electronegativity, there will be partially negative and partial positive charge. This causes polarity in the molecule. If there are just carbon and hydrogen, then we call the molecule as non-polar. Therefore, butane is a non-polar. But look at the options. We have an alcohol, sodium alkoxide, an amine, and then we have a butane molecule. By looking at the options, you can easily make out that this is a non-polar molecule because there is no heteroatom. In this case, we have oxygen as a heteroatom, here as well, and here there is a nitrogen. This molecule doesn't have any heteroatom, therefore non-polar, and hence this is more soluble in butane. Therefore, the right option is option D. Let's take question number 43. Compare the heat of combustion for molecule 1, 2 and 3. What is 1? It is pentane molecule, N-pentane, because there is no branching. What is option 2? It's a 2-methyl pentane. What is option 3? That is butane. What is the relation among all the given molecules? Of course, they are not isomers because they don't have the same molecular formula. They have even different number of carbons. In fact, they are homologous series. They differ by a CH2 group. In order to answer this question, you must know what is heat of combustion. What is heat of combustion for alkanes? It is the energy released during the complete combustion of 1 mole of a substance with products of carbon dioxide and water. You know, when we say complete combustion, that means the products must be carbon dioxide and water, right? We do it for 1 mole. So then we have standard values. The factors which influence this heat of combustion is number of carbon atoms, isomerism, ring strain, etc. But by looking at the options, we know that the factor which is influencing here is number of carbon atoms. The heat of combustion increases with the size of the alkane because there are more bonds to break and form. That's the reason, right? So if we consider that, which will have the least, this butane. But we have such two options. So compare 1 and 2. Which has the most? 2 has the most. So 2, 1 and 3. And it is given in option B. Therefore, the right option is B. I hope you understood all these examples with concept. Thank you for watching this video.